The Wi-Fi signal from your internet service provider's router is most likely plagued with poor signal quality, high latency, and Wi-Fi dead zones. The reality is, these cable modems and routers do not offer many of the huge improvements that we have had in Wi-Fi. They're not designed to handle all the additional traffic we have in our home, and they become the main choking point for fast connectivity. So your new phone, laptop, or business applications will never reach their full potential. Enter the NETGEAR Business Essentials WAX214 and WAX218 Wi-Fi 6 access points. Designed with the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology and blazing fast throughput, providing the performance and capacity required for many users and devices streaming simultaneously. Plus, eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones with an increased and more stable Wi-Fi range. Simply connect WAX214 or WAX218 to your internet service provider's router in your home and have a full Wi-Fi 6 network up and running within minutes. Take advantage of the latest in Wi-Fi technology and features that your ISP just doesn't offer. The NETGEAR Business Essentials WAX214 or WAX218 Wi-Fi 6 access points.